Hello, welcome to Working Mom Plans. I am Kate. I am doing a recipe plan with me to redo this fried rice recipe in this a newer sheet to make it a little bit more prettier and more readable. So if you're interested in how I'm going to do this, I hope you stick around. Thank you for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, comment below, let me know what you think, and such, and also share with your friends. I know some people like these recipe plan with me so that they get their own recipes. So I got this thicker type pen, and I want to use it up here for my title here. And then also I'm bringing in I'm just trying to use up my washi stash, so I'm just like going through and figuring, okay, what haven't I used in a long time or need to use up, because I keep on finding myself buying washi. So fried rice with, I like this pen, so it's called Papermate Handwriting, and I got this one from Raz at Plans and Pens. She does pens reviews and such, and go check her out and also get her some ideas. Ask her to do a pen review on something, and she will probably do it for you. So, try to debate here. Am I going to go all black, or am I going to use a different ink joy here? So I got this from Sassy's Bows and Pens, and it's a 0.5, yeah, 0.5, so that's small. I'm not a big, it's 0.3, no thank you. And then I have a gel pen. Oh, let's just use this purple, because I have purple washes. So, let's see here, so I have 4, and I always write with an angle like this. So, veggies, rice. It is not that difficult. Okay, so I pulled these. They were from my first mega book, Happy Planner sticker book. It fell apart on me, so I put it on some paper here to put it in a little book. So I have my own little type of sticker books now. So whenever my sticker books fall apart, this is what I do. Here in the back of my head, a fellow planner lady, always now when I'm writing, she says, slow down. But I like putting these little things because it decorates it more. So, one, and I'm modifying this to what I actually do. I like using these clear things when I'm not doing a check marks, I'm just bullet pointing it. Okay, as you can see, I made a note there because I forgot something. Don't mind the background noise right now. If you can hear it. Mr. Robert is up and about doing his thing. I always forget this. And this is something I modified this recipe by adding the chicken and the frozen peas and carrots because my family likes that traditional Chinese food type thing. Okay. So, yep, I've used that one. That's one to be recycled. And that over there. Now, I know it has all this serve time, cook time, prep time is 5 to 10 minutes. Cook time is 5 to 15 minutes. Because you have to cook the rice beforehand. Alright. So make this look cool. I'm going to do this flour one because it's springish. And I'm going to start here. There we go. And since this is very big washi, because I have a lot of this size, and it's really, how to describe it, tough to figure out where to put it on things, especially your planners. So cool. And then no, I don't think that purple's gonna cover it well. There we go. I'm getting a little random here. And that's what I consider sometimes art, is randomness as well. There. Because I'm not going to have a lot of notes. This is a very basic, simple recipe. One of the many favorites in my family. Alright, let's get this in the book. There's no particular reason, but there we go. Push that down. And then I'll use the other side whenever I feel I have a small enough recipe. So, there we go. Thank you for watching and sticking to the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.